despite the fact that we have a Category 5 typhoon that made landfall in Mindanao. Yes, you can die from winds that are 300 kilometers per hour if buildings crumble around you, but most of the deaths associated with cyclones occur from flooding, and mainly when you start involving not only the storm surge right along the coast, but also river flooding. Remember, the tropical storm that killed 1,200 people in Mindanao in 2011 was just that, a tropical storm. It was not a typhoon, and the problem with it was the rainfall. So we're going to watch this very closely. The winds right now, 176 kilometers per hour. That means it is no longer a super typhoon. It is still at typhoon intensity, so we could still continue to see wind damage certainly out there. And the winds are at speeds where rescue crews could not get out to folks that need help. So we are still in an active storm situation here. It is going to continue to head off to the north and west over the next couple of days. That's the other problem. It is pouring over Mindanao. It will continue to do so as this very compact but potent storm comes in. Now, the core winds, those dangerous 300 kilometer per hour winds, they only extended about 65 kilometers. So that damage is going to be contained to right along the coast where it made landfall. The worst of the storm now will be with the rainfall and those water level rises, particularly with the Cagayan River that comes up from the south here. So we're going to watch this very closely as those river levels continue to rise. That's that river that caused all those deaths, because when you start talking river flooding, there's just really no way to get out of the way unless you've evacuated completely out of the area, and a lot of people don't have the means to do that in this part of the Philippines. This is the forecast. Watch this. Continuing at typhoon intensity in 12 hours, crossing the Sulu Sea, then slamming again into the other side of the Philippines here, and then emerging finally into the South China Sea. So we have days to watch this, and again, the concern now is with those river levels rising as we speak. So I don't think we're going to get the scope of this like we did in 2011 for a couple of days until we see what those rivers continue to do.